First of all, look at this YouTube channel. It has uploaded only 58 videos, yet it already has 387k subscribers. You can also check its videos. Many of them have gone viral, and several videos have millions of views. This channel is performing extremely well. Apart from this, here is another similar channel. You can check its views as well, and both of these channels are fully monetized. These types of channels are 100% monetizable, and I will show you the complete proof. And now, I'm going to show you an amazing tool through which you can create 30-minute long AI videos in just 5 minutes. Yes, only 5 minutes, and your AI video will be ready. Now, the question is this channel monetized or not? So I copy the channel link and paste it into YouTube's Social Blade. And as you can see, the channel is fully monetized. You can also check its earnings. It has made 4.7k in the last 14 days. This is real earning with complete proof. First, watch the video I already created using this tool.
A queen wished for a child with skin like snow. She named her Snow White. The queen died, and the king remarried a vain woman. The magic mirror declared Snow White the fairest. The queen ordered a huntsman to kill Snow White. He let her go, and she found a dwarf's cottage. The dwarfs warned her, "Do not open the door." The queen disguised herself and laced her bodice too tight. Then she poisoned a comb. Finally, a poisoned apple made her fall. A princess stumbled, dislodged the apple, and she woke. They married, and she ruled with care.
If you saw that video, then you already know. You can create videos exactly like this, quickly and easily. And today, I will give you the complete course, step by step, on how to make these AI videos for free. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Alright, let's get started. First, open Magic Light AI. After opening Magic Light, let me tell you something about it. It is a very good and powerful website. MagicLight.ai is an impressive and highly versatile AI platform that makes content creation extremely easy and fast. It can turn simple story prompts into fully animated kids' story videos, perfect for bedtime tales or fun educational content. The website also offers powerful explainer video tools, helping you create professional quality animations for YouTube, social media, or business presentations. In addition to this, MagicLight.ai includes advanced image-to-video features that instantly convert pictures into smooth, dynamic video clips. Now let's create a video on Magic Light AI. This website has several options. The first option is story to video. The second option is kids story to video. The third option is kids song video, where you can even create songs. The fourth option is explainer video, which lets you create explanation-style videos. Below these, there are more options such as turn your idea into a video, image to video, animate your image, character vlog, record the character's story, AI character, create your own character. You can use any of these options, and there are many more available that you can try as well. But I will go to the kids story video option and click on Create. After that, we need a story. To create the story, we will open ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT is open, you can create a story just like mine if you want. You only need to write a simple prompt. And don't worry, I will give you all the prompts in my YouTube description. You just have to copy them. I will provide both the prompt and the story for you. Snow White survives the queen's tricks with the dwarf's help, is revived by a prince, and begins a peaceful new life. Give me top 5 idea. ChatGPT will give you 5 best ideas related to this and 5 best stories. If you want 10, you can ask for 10 as well. Choose the story you like the most. If none of them feel right, just tell ChatGPT, give me one best option from these. ChatGPT will select the best story for you. If you ever feel confused, you can ask ChatGPT again. It will create a very good and perfect story based on what you need, and it will give you the best one. If the story feels too short, just type this on ChatGPT. Now, give ChatGPT 400 words and it will create a big story for you. If you want, you can ask for a shorter or longer story. You just need to type, "Give me a story," or "Give me an 800-word story," and it will create the best story for you. In this way, you can make the story as long as you want. Once your story is ready, go back to Magic Light AI and paste the story there. Below, you will see many options, including realistic 3D cartoon Disney Pixar illustration, comic book, handcrafted picture book first. From these options, you can choose the topic for your video. I want to make a 3D cartoon story, so I will click on that option because I want a 3D story. Next, in aspect ratio, I want to select YouTube size 16:9, so I will click on that. Below, it depends on how long you want your video to be. You can click to make a video up to 30 minutes long, or even longer depending on your story. Here, you can select the story length in minutes. You can adjust it according to your preference. Next, you can choose voices or styles. Options like Hello AI 01, 02, 03, Cling, or Sea Dance Light. Select the one you like. After that, click on Create, and you will see the video start generating. You should watch the video completely, because I will also show you how you can use Sora 2 and Sora Pro Plus. Make sure to watch every part of the video to understand it fully. MagicLight.ai includes advanced image-to-video features that instantly convert pictures into smooth, dynamic video clips. Whether you're a creator, teacher, marketer, or storyteller, MagicLight.ai gives you all the tools to bring your ideas to life with just a few clicks. It truly delivers high-quality AI videos with creativity and simplicity. Now the AI video is ready, and you can see it. It includes AI voice, video editing, textures, and everything on the video. You can also create AI videos exactly like this easily. Download the video from here. The video is complete, and it turned out very good. Next, we will use the image to video option. I click on it here and upload my image. After uploading the image, I paste the prompt and click to proceed. You can see that Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro are also available. You can choose either one according to your preference. I click on Sora 2 and then click on Create Video, and you can see the AI video starts generating. The results from Sora are very good. Right now, this website is running a Black Friday sale with 50% off. You can get a package for just $5 or another package for $16. This is a very low-cost website. You can use it, buy a package, create your own YouTube channel, and get it monetized. With just a $16 investment, you can potentially earn thousands of dollars. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will bring another video like this. Thanks for watching.